Hi there. My name is Nitin Verma, and I am an AWS Support Specialist Solutions Architect. Today, customers can get access to AWS Rapid Incident Management Service for their business critical alarm with as low as 5 minutes response. This Rapid Incident Management Service aims to provide 24 by 7 proactive incident management to quickly act on the alarms or incidents which can potentially lead to a business downtime. Now, even though Amazon CloudWatch provides an extensive and advanced monitoring features, our customers might have invested into their own custom monitoring tools or other third-party APM services like Datadog, New Relic, etc. In this video, you will learn how a critical application alarm or an event from your monitoring tool can be automatically ingested and turned into a high severity AWS support case, drastically reducing mean time to detect, response, and hence resolution. So let's get started. Now, before we get into the demo, I would like to highlight that there are two types of APM tools. One that have direct integration with Amazon Event Bridge, and the others that don't have. In this first scenario, you are using one of the AWS partner APM tools that have direct integration with Amazon Event Bridge, such as Datadog, New Relic, Splunk, PagerDuty, OpsGenie, Site 24 by 7, etc. There are 50 plus AWS partner APMs in this list. For these APMs, you will just need to install a simple CloudFormation template provided by AWS containing message transformation lambda and event bus rules to transform and send your monitoring event to AWS IAM service. In the second scenario, you are using a custom monitoring tool or other third-party APM tools that don't have direct integration with Amazon Event Bridge, for example, Dynatrace, SAP Solutions Manager, or any other third-party custom monitoring tool. However, you can still send these alerts to AWS Incident Service using their webhook functionality via AWS API Gateway. Again, in this case, you will need to install a simple CloudFormation template provided by AWS containing API Gateway and authentication and message transformation lambda to transform and send your monitoring event to the IAM service. Today, I will showcase this second method, and in the demo, you will experience that as soon as the alarm occurs, the associated event and the JSON payload containing in that event, which has all the application details, is sent from your third-party APM tools to your AWS API gateway via webhook. Then this will automatically transform into that event into an outbound AWS P1 support case, followed by rapid incident management and resolution. So let's see a demo. Okay, so this is my test AWS account where I have already installed the CloudFormation template, which has installed the associated infrastructure like the API gateway and transformation and authentication lambda as shown earlier. In reality, we'll provide you with the API gateway URL and its authentication token that can be configured in your APM tool to forward your alarms to its HTTP endpoint. For this demo, I am going to directly send events to this API gateway by manually adding the authorization and authentication token. This alarm says, or this event says that it is a customer side demo alert. This event from API gateway will be passed on to the backend infrastructure, which is a Lambda, to authenticate and transform and send it to our backend incident management service. This is successful. Now, this should have been digested by our backend service team, and it would have extracted the relevant information from this unique alarm to create a high severity outbound case in an automated way. Now, the time is 4:16 p.m. here, and let's go to the AWS support portal and see if the case has been created or not. It should be kind of in a real-time scenario. So as you can see, 36 seconds ago, there was this outbound support case created. Now, somebody from our IDEA team will respond to this within 5 minutes because right now it is unassigned and there is no correspondence. Okay, so after waiting for a minute or so, I noticed that there is an acknowledgement from the AWS IAM team. So this could be your unique alarm, like, hey, my application XYZ is down in this region, or it could be my database XYZ is not responding. Anything like that could be your alarm identifier. And that unique alarm identifier will be already in our internal database. along with its runbook and what needs to be executed for this alarm. So usually you will see after this, IAM will start looking into the runbook, take the actions in terms of the incident resolution as per the runbook. First response was within 2 minutes, and let's see if there was any action taken afterwards. So there is another update which states that the alarm identifier is customer side demo alarm. Because we have mentioned this is a demo alarm, they know that this is a test alarm. So they are just saying that, hey, we are following next steps as per your runbook. We would have started a conference bridge call. Let us join the calls with all hands on deck and start working on the resolution. Now, it could be different in your case, depending upon the nature of your alarm and the run book. For example, it could say, hey, the RDS in your account is running out of IOPS. We would recommend increasing the IOPS to resolve this issue as soon as possible. By the way, there is a bridge call we have started. You can join our bridge call, and your MIM team will be automatically copied on this notification through email. This is the end of the demo. As you have seen, the moment we get your critical alert, we automatically create a high severity AWS support case engaging our incident management team. The unique runbook associated with your alarm is automatically identified and followed for rapid resolution, and all of this within 5 minutes response time. The idea is to drastically improve the mean time to response and resolution of your business critical alarms, promoting high availability. Hope you found it useful. Thanks for watching. Go build.